On-chain data shows the Bitcoin exchange whale ratio has started to sharply rise, a sign that these humongous holders may be beginning to dump. Whales are behind almost 90% of Bitcoin exchange inflows right now. As pointed out by an analyst in a CryptoQuant post, whales may be ramping up dumping, a sign that could be bearish for the price of BTC. The exchange whale ratio is an indicator that measures the ratio between the sum of the top 10 Bitcoin transactions to exchanges and the total exchange inflows. Since the 10 biggest transactions to exchanges usually belong to the whales, this metric can tell us about the relative size of whale inflows to the rest of the market. When the value of this metric is high, that is, above 85%, it means whales currently make up a very large part of the overall exchange inflows. Especially high values can suggest that whales are mass dumping at the moment, something that could prove to be bearish for the price of Bitcoin. On the other hand, the indicator having values lesser than 85% can imply whale selling in the market is at a healthy level right now. During bull runs, the metric usually remains in this range. Related reading: Bitcoin market plunges into extreme fear. How scary does it get? Now, here is a chart that shows the trend in the Bitcoin exchange whale ratio, 72-hour MA, over the course of 2022 so far. As you can see in the above graph, the Bitcoin exchange whale ratio has shot up, and follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.